Just wanted to show you real quick my hair. Um, I decided to use Clairol's Shimmer Light purple hair mask, and I meant to put it only in the where the yellow part so I could get it more white. And I was surprised, and that little packet was enough to do my whole hair. So I had left over was the point. I tried to scrub it into my scalp to get the yellow, and with the little bit that was left over, I did the outside. Um, huh, it turned purple on me. It was a pretty dark purple, and I was furious. It's like, for me, it's like a nightmare because I would have given anything to have hair like this a year ago when I was trying to do silver hair, or a year and a half ago. And now that I just want a white, it just keeps coming out silver, and now it's lavender. Um, Telling you to, you know, pissing me off. I want to do pastels. So what I'm gonna do, the cheap shampoo did lift a lot of the purple out because it was darker than this. So I'm gonna use that again. If that don't work, doesn't completely take it out, then I'm gonna do a bleach wash. And like I said, come what may, I'm doing the pastels. So anyway, just wanted to quickly, I did do the swatches last week, Saved by the Bell, and uh, the 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 brushes came in a phone, but it didn't fit in here, so I just put it back in the box. But uh, where is it? Where is it? I took pictures. This one's broken just a little bit, and the one, of course, that everybody wants the most was crushed in pieces. I tried to repress it, but orange went into the gold, gold went into the orange. So anyway, it all fits in here, but now I'll show you the swatches. Okay, so see you next week. Love you all. Mwah.